I'm a founder of a Z, the carbonated energy drink. The other brands, they have contained too much caffeine, taurine, and a high amount of sugar. Most of the brands, they are aggressively marketing.
Is the product ready?
No, sir. They are using a cheapest and unhealthy drink. How to change our consumer mentality?
Answer to this is not so simple, but 60 रुपए वाली चीज खर्च करने में कोई इशू नहीं है, as long as your product is good. You can come, do a sampling on one fun Friday.
कार से आकाश प्रेजेंट्स हेल्प मी हेल्प यू।
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and I'm from Delhi. Currently, I'm pursuing a master's in data science. So I'm a founder of a Z, the carbonated energy drinker. You have really see that like other brands, they have contained too much caffeine, taurine, and a high amount of sugar. In my product, that's so naturally like a low amount of sugar, and we have added an antioxidant. You have heard about the Cibacton. That's a lot of content of antioxidant. We use it as stevia, the sweetener, in the rather form of a sugar intake that other brand use it. I'm not taking her name because if just taking her name, so that's just too much of complication. But आप अपने काफी देखा होगा like other brands that's effective like cheaper than energy drink. They have say like our energy is cheaper, but that's really harmful in your health.
Is the product ready?
No, sir. Actually, there is a short term time. My exam is going on.
So अभी ये thought है या
No, sir. Actually, it's on testing phase. Sir.
Okay, it's in testing phase.
Testing phase.
अभी pre-revenue हो.
Pre-revenue, yeah, sir.
Okay. Testing
trials,
चल रही है.
Testing and trials, and we have this current for license for side license.
अच्छा. And
Yes.
how many people are building? You are
Sir,
the
two.
two
We have
people.
two founders.
Two founders.
Yeah.
And from Noida.
Yeah, from Delhi.
From Delhi. Okay. Nice. Great. What's the name of your product that you're thinking?
Sir, Z.
Zeal.
Z. XEEC.
XEE.
The
Okay.
carbonated energy drink.
Acha, carbonated energy.
Yeah, sir.
Nice.
My question is that how to change our consumer mentality from shifting to unhealthy drink to healthy drink. Actually, most of the brands they are aggressively marketing. So we have not too money to spend there. जो consumer की mentality है ना उनको shift करना है. They are using a cheapest and unhealthy drink from like a Sting and other brands.
Okay. 20 रुपए वाली.
Yeah,
10
sir,
रुपए
20 rupees वाली जो होती है overall. And they are containing packaging on plastic. So that's really harmful. But my product is a 45-50 around their cost making and they are contained in a tin can. But they are most of the people they can't afford it. And how to shift the consumer mentality?
So तुमने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा ना कि देर आर यूजर्स जो 20 रुपए की स्टिंग पी रहे हैं और तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट में भी 50 या 60 रुपए का बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वालिटी और वट एवर द इंग्रेडिएंट इज नेचुरल. सो आंसर टू दिस इज नॉट सो सिंपल, बट इन अ वे there are various types of customers, correct? If you ask many customers, example me or Akash, so we will not drink Sting, correct? But if your product even 60 rupees, but if it has no preservatives or it has maybe some health benefits or whatever you can communicate, so there is no need to do a big marketing. Again, what in life works in my opinion is select and focus. You need to be focused that where you want to sell and who should be your customer. Select a very small geography or very small area. और उसमें भी इंडिया इज नाउ अ मार्केट विच इज चेंजिंग, स्पेसिफिकली बिग सिटीज, कि जहां पर लोगों को 60 रुपए वाली चीज खर्च करने में कोई इशू नहीं है, एज लॉन्ग एज योर प्रोडक्ट इज गुड. पीपल कैन इवन पे यू 100 रुपीज ऑल्सो. So be focused, select and focus. So don't worry about what others are doing. You are saying that you're building a quality product.
Quality product.
Less
Don't
sugar,
compromise.
hardly any sugar, stevia or whatever you said.
Stevia,
Monk
yeah,
fruit
sir.
is what you
Monk
use or
fruit, yeah,
something
sir.
like that. Cibacton or whatever you're
Cibacton,
talking about.
exactly,
So
yeah.
this is what I would want.
Yeah, yeah.
This is what Pankaj would
Yeah,
want.
sir.
My team here
Everybody
does not
wants-
drink Sting.
Yeah.
My office, you see, nobody drinks Sting. Maybe it might not be there in my cafeteria also. But there's Red Bull.
Red Bull. Yeah.
कितने की आती है?
Sir, 90-120.
मैंने आज तक नहीं पी, but कितने?
Sir, they are high amount of caffeine.
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा है. मेरे को तो
harmful
वो
in
शुगर
the-
से एलर्जी है.
Yeah, sir. They
मैं तो
increase
पी
your
भी नहीं
BP
सकता.
level.
हाँ, so the point is that अगर Red
Yeah,
Bull
yeah.
100-120 की बिक रही
तुम्हारा
है,
भी बिक सकता है.
तो तुम्हारा 40-50 का क्यों नहीं बिकेगा यार? ब्रांड वैसा बनाओगे तुम. That's what you got to do.
Other brands spend a lots of money for advertisement. They have a 60 to 70% go for advertisement.
Not required.
जरूरत ही नहीं है.
भाई
If your product is
Sting
good,
है.
हमें टेंशन क्यों लेनी है?
Sting है.
Actually,
अभी देख.
yeah.
I think I would love to maybe invite Shantanu
Yeah.
and have Shantanu from Barber Shop. I think I respect him as a founder. Barber company.
Yeah.
Bombay Shaving.
Bombay Shaving.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
So Shantanu, definitely, what he did, Gillette.
Gillette. Yeah.
Gold standard. He entered that category with a razor,
Yes, so.
right?
Yes.
With a razor, and then he brought it in front of the competition. If you would have thought that I'm competing with Gillette, no, then he would be fearing to enter this market. Niche बना रहे हो, product कोई exist नहीं करता, category exist करती है,
Yes, so.
product validate कराओ customer से, लेके आओ, कोई बात नहीं,
Okay.
but अगली बार पिला के दिखाओ,
Yes, definitely.
यहाँ ऑफिस में सबको पिलाओ. I will open my office for you.
Okay.
Right? You can come, do a sampling on one fun Friday. Let's do that in office with him.
Okay, sir.
You do the sampling, you make videos of people, you take the consumer feedback and share the live recording with me. If people are loving the product at the price point, and we'll put it in the cafeteria then. If you want to buy, let's track that sales. अभी zero revenue.
Yes, sir.
तो वो revenue हम तुम्हारा बनाते हैं. अगर ये चल गया तो बोलेंगे.
Yeah, definitely,
Right?
sir.
Okay?
Sir.
Let's do that.